Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches and how you can sell this service online on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this service on offline market, or you can go to Canva social media pages and ask them about your services, and go to websites related to your niche and ask them about your service, and they will surely hire you. So in that way you can get work from clients, and most and there are many opportunities related to it. So let's learn. And I am going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use, and you can just like learn in some time. And if you want to know completely about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section, and here I upload a complete playlist on Canva designing. And after watching the playlist, I surely say that you know everything about Canva almost. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a law firm logo in Canva. So let's get started. Create a design. Here I search for logo and 500 by 500 pixels. The color of law firm is represented as like this color. Elements, let's see which one is good. Yeah, it's look good, and our company name is Husk Advisors. And let's change the color. Yeah, it's look good. Husk Advisors. And let's change the font. So that's it, our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.